Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website multilingual. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix website. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. Now that you're here, choose the site that you want to edit, then click on Edit Site. Once you're in the site, click on the For box to add apps. Once you're in the Wix App Market, type in the search bar Wix Multilingual. Now choose a free Wix Multilingual app. Now click Add to Site, and Wix will automatically add this to your site. For the next step, go to Settings, click on Multilingual. A drop-down menu will appear. Now click Start Now. Now, Wix will give you 3 steps to finish setting up. For the first one, click on Set Original Language. Then you need to choose a flag. After choosing a flag, click Select Flag. After that, just click on Confirm Original Language. And now, you can start adding a language. Click on Add Language. Select the language. Then select the flag. After that, just click on Add Language. Then, you can add language as many as you want. And that's how you make your Wix website multilingual. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.